Hey everyone, how you doing? This is your boy Big J with Boatrights Barbecue. I'm here with Primo ceramic grills, American made with pride. I'm going to be doing today some seared grilled chicken breast covered with sauteed onions and bell peppers with a red sauce. And I'm going to show you how to make this red sauce. It's so basic and simple. The basic ingredients for it is olive oil, basil, tomatoes, and garlic. And from there, you kind of just do your thing, add your flavors to it. I got some 5 cheese, Italian cheese I'm gonna add to mine. You cook it right down in the sauce with it. You add a little black pepper, garlic, salt, whatever your flavor profile is. Have fun with it, do your thing, and make it your own. But I will have the recipe on this video. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started, show you how quick it is to make this basic red sauce. Also, what you're going to want to do is make sure you have yourself a bullet like this one here, or a food processor, something you could chop down your tomatoes, your basil, and your garlic in your mixture. And there you have it. I'm going to add some more tomatoes to this here, so I can go ahead and get some more going, and I'll be back with you when we get it on the grill. Okay, so we got the red sauce together, the marinara sauce, and what we do, man, just need a small saucepan. You're going to get it on the grill. I got this Primo grill running at 300 right now. So I'm going to go direct and then indirect. Let it get that smoky flavor in there, along with letting it come to a simmer. So I'm going to just stir it for a while, directly over the heat. Then I'm gonna bring it to the side and let it kind of come to a simmer. You only need about 15 minutes of that or less, and you're gonna pull it out, it's ready. All right, I got this at a simmer now. I'm gonna go indirect, let it just kind of do its thing, let it get that good smoky taste and flavor in there with that sauce. It's gonna go great when I layer it with that chicken and the sauteed vegetables. All right, back at you, time for the fun part, baby. I'm gonna get me these chicken breasts on. They're boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'm gonna get these on the grill. I'm gonna season them up with my Boatrights Barbecue all-purpose rub. I'm gonna go through what I usually do. Again, everybody have their own style and technique. Just showing you my thing. This is a real quick way to just entertain some company and impress them with something beautiful and full of flavor and full of color. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these chicken breasts going for you, show you that. I'm also going to cut up the vegetables that I'm going to saute, just basically some bell peppers and some onions. And I'm just going to saute them with my SPG and let them do their thing on cast iron on the Primo grill. For the record, now one of the things I do is I spray my chicken breast down. Any meat I'm cooking, I usually spray it down. You can either oil your racks or you can spray down your protein that you're cooking or your vegetables, whatever you're doing. And that's just to help for non-stick and also to help with the bonding of the seasoning or fresh herbs and spices that you're applying. All right, so I'm gonna cut up some of this Italian bread. You can use Italian bread, French loaf, sourdough, anything you want to do. Make yourself some real good grilled garlic bread. You can throw cheese on it, anything you want. With this, I'm just gonna do a real basic garlic bread with some garlic parmesan and basil garlic butter. And we're gonna get this on the grill and grill it as well, just to go with that chicken and red sauce. I tell you what, we couldn't ask for a more beautiful September day to do this. Midwest, baby, you gotta love it. We enjoy these good days while we can. I'll start off with a little olive oil, just to put in here. I'm gonna grab my hot pad right quick and be right back with you. Oh man, that aroma coming in it already. That's that smell you love. I'm probably torturing somebody right now. I'm definitely being tortured myself, smelling this. I tell you what, these Primos are so good and they're so versatile. You can do so much with them that it's just, in the space, the room is just lovely. That's what I like the most about these, just the space and the fact that they're just made with so much pride. I had the opportunity to go out to the main factory of Primo ceramic grills, and I tell you what, they take pride in every single action they take to deliver this to the store, to your door. And I love that. Okay, I'm gonna close this down, let it do its thing for a little bit, come back and check it, get ready to pull this chicken. All right, y'all, here we are. These are the end results. This is your seared grilled chicken breast with sauteed onions and bell peppers, multicolors, with garlic bread on red sauce. This is a meal right here that takes you 30, maybe 40 minutes tops to prepare and get ready and make some people happy while you indulge in some beverages and enjoy yourself. Until next time, I thank you all. This is your boy, Big J, with Boatrights Barbecue with Primo Grill. Love you.